Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Avax. We're covering it again. We're doing a full technical update. We'll briefly touch upon the fundamentals, but I'm actually not too sure about the fundamentals. I have some questions about it, but the technicals tell a full enough story, I think. All right, so that's what we'll take a look at. Avax right now still very bullish. In terms of network statistics, it's doing great. A lot of daily transactions. Daily active addresses have recovered a bit as well after, quite a big downtrend, and we should not forget that. Total value locked is up, as you can see, about what is it? Not that much. It's about, I think, 5% or something. A little bit less even, perhaps. But so fundamentally, it's doing fine. But one of the big reasons why it has been this bullish is obviously because of what we've seen with their version of FriendTech, which was doing very well. But now I'm actually like I forget the name all of the time, and I actually got fun story. I wanted to check it out this morning because I heard that something went wrong with it or something, and that's the thing I don't know about. Like, it was very bullish partially because of that, a lot of people buying it, etc. And probably some HFT manipulation by Wintermute or something. But I don't want to touch too much upon that. But yeah, so Stars Arena or something. I'm not sure, like Stars. Yeah, Stars Arena it is. But I'm actually not sure what happened with them, because I heard that something went wrong, or at least that something happened. Yeah, all right. There has been a major security breach with the smart contract. Do not deposit any funds. That happened. All right, we know enough. And since then, the price has dropped down, or at least earlier, actually, because it probably was noticed earlier. Price started dropping down heavily. This actually, I believe this is the second problem they've had. So it's a bit of a bummer, but the technicals, I still think, will tell us the full story. So we'll dive into the technicals in a moment. Before we do that, I do want to tell you briefly that I have my own premium group in which I share my own trades as signals. But not only do I share my own trades, I also try my hardest to make you all better traders. Like with my own trading guides, there's a chat room. I'm very active in there, trying to share my setup, share my ideas. If that sounds interesting, consider joining. But for now, let's get into Avax. So looks very bearish right now. I have to say, usually a crypto does not recover from a spike like this, just purely technically, and then we haven't even taken into consideration the fundamentals. So I would say that Avax right now will be testing this support level right here at $10.50. That's its main support level. It's supported by the 0.5 fib, and it's a technical level. So what's going to happen is Avax is going to drop down to that level, and then what we'll see today is whether Avax will be able to hold that or not. And purely because of the fundamental situation right now, it looks most likely that Avax will not hold that level, get a bearish breakout, will drop down towards $10 again. And then I think $10 and that whole area between 10 and 9.7 will hold, because the network statistics are still great. And maybe they'll be able to fix that. But starting another uptrend from here, I think, is going to be tough. Now, alternatively, even though I think this is the most likely scenario, because mainly the fundamental situation right now around Avalanche, if Avalanche is able to hold this level at $10.5 and the contract security breach has been fixed, perhaps then there's like, if it's able to hold this until Monday, then I would expect more bullish momentum. But I just don't see that as the most likely scenario if you're seeing the bearish momentum we're seeing right now. So those are my thoughts. That's, I think, everything you need to know on Avalanche. If you do have any questions, then of course let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.